Hello all, JT here. The Phonon Testnet is now live. What is Phonon? A phonon is a representation of a public-private key pair and a phonon descriptor describing a digital asset encumbered to that key pair. In this way, exchanging phonons is a secure mechanism of exchanging private keys and consequently changing ownership of a digital asset without ever broadcasting a transaction to the asset's associated blockchain. Sound good to you? Apparently yes, because some of you have your testnet developer kit. And by the way, we have just a few dev kits remaining and they can be purchased through the Phonon website in the description below. Here we go with the next steps. Today, let's get you set up on the Phonon Testnet and initialize your cards in order to start earning rewards from our bug bounty program. This video is only going to discuss getting everything set up. Future videos will help you understand how to do more with the Phonon Testnet developer kit. The purpose of the alpha test is to test the Phonon technology stack to get user feedback and identify any bugs in the software or hardware. There are only two things you need in order to get started: the Phonon card and the Phonon client. Let's get started.
First off, you will need a Windows, Mac, or Linux computer with permission to install applications. This video is geared for Windows users. Additionally, participants are encouraged to acquire some testnet ETH and tokens from one other testnet of your choice to use with creating and sending phonons. If you need help to find some testnet ETH, we can help you with that on our Discord. A link to our Discord can be found at phonon.network. I'll be using the Gurley testnet today. There are plenty of other testnets available. First, you will need to plug in both of your card readers. Then go ahead and insert your Phonon cards. For Windows, install the latest version of the client listed on the alpha test page of the Phonon site. Run the Phonon client by navigating to the Start menu. Upon starting, the client will automatically open a localhost window in your browser. Next, click Initialize on your card and set a 6-digit PIN. Enter it again to confirm. Remember this PIN or write it down. To begin the registration, click Receive at the top of the screen and copy the card address that is listed. This is the address for your first Phonon card. You can go ahead and do this with the other card and repeat the process, and both addresses will be copied to your clipboard. At this point, you will register your addresses with MetaMask. Do this by signing the transaction that pops up. This will link your wallet where rewards will be given. Now that both cards are initialized, register your address by pasting the card address that you copied into the card ID sections on our Phonon registration page. Pro tip: on Windows, there is an easy way to enable clipboard history in settings. When enabled, you can easily bring up your clipboard by hitting Windows plus V, then clicking on the item you want to copy. Paste the key in the window and you are good to go. Finalize the process by signing on MetaMask. Note: the telemetry key is used to capture the log data strictly for the bounty program. This completes the setup process and you are now ready to officially move into the bounty program. And with that, you are good to go.
For more information, please visit phonon.network, and for real-time talk, come hang out on our Discord. Follow us on Twitter at Phonon DAO and socials located in the description below. On behalf of the Phonon DAO, my name is JT. Cheers and big hugs from Kansas City.